What's up, you guys? It's a brand new day today, and today I'm going for snow tubing. But I believe today is not the perfect day for it because see what's happening in the background. It's snowing. So the temperature right now is minus 16 degrees Celsius, and it feels like minus 26. And there is already a wind chill advisory going on, which basically means that it's going to be really, really cold. I think it's too late for us to cancel the booking now, so we are still planning to go and see how it goes. We are already wearing 2 layers of clothing with thermal, and now we're gonna put a winter jacket on, so that should help with gloves and everything. We should be protected, so let's get going. And look at the condition of my car now. So I need to first clean up the car before I can leave. Anyways, I'm waiting for Ashish, so I'll quickly clean up the car. We are finally here. It's freezing cold. It's minus 17, feels like minus 25 here. Finally, sun is out. It was really cloudy in the morning and it was really cold. I feel a little better now sun is out, but it's still really cold. Feels like minus 25 is like crazy cold. One mistake that I did is I did not wear good socks. I wore the normal socks that I normally wear, and that's why I am freezing. My toes are like really cold, and I kind of don't even feel them now. So I keep trying to wiggle them so that the blood keeps flowing, but I don't know how long I can pull this off. We're doing second round now. It's first time we were really scared, but I think we are good now. What do you think, Rahul?
Yes, we got the hang of it. Back here.
Excited, Ashish? Ready?
Yep.
Rahul, ready?
Yeah.
Should I wiggle and push myself down? I don't think I can.
Alright, you guys can go.
Woo! Ashish is trying hard. Oh. That was fast! That was so fast!
Oh my
This
God.
was one of the fastest ride.
क्या मस्त आई तुम लोग.
It was awesome. This was the fastest of all the 3 rides. We're trying our luck again and going. We just have another 30 minutes left, so I believe we won't be able to do much because there is a huge queue there. So we might be able to do 1 or 2 max. And it's getting really windy, and the sun, I don't know, it has disappeared somewhere. Are you guys ready?
Yes, round 2.
Round 2. Actually 3. But yeah, after the break, second round. So I was initially thinking that 2 hours means a lot of time and we would be able to do 10 or 20 rides or something like that. But in an hour, yeah, in an hour, I was able to do only 2. Then we took a like 10-15 minute break, and now we have another 30-45 minutes or something. I don't think I can do more than 2. What do you guys think?
2 to go.
2 to go. We are really extremely tired now because pulling this up from there to here is hard. So we are back in the car. We did around 6 rides, I believe, and it was so much fun. You can see it was so cold. There is ice in my hair, and I don't know how will I remove this. I'm just gonna wait for it to melt out, but my hair is all tangled up and it's wet. Now we are hungry and we don't have anything at home, so probably we're gonna stop by the Hindu temple, and they usually have really good South Indian food available. So we're gonna check if they have anything in today in the canteen, and
Continue for half a mile.
and possibly pick something from there. If not, then we'll probably have to stop somewhere else.
KFC chicken bucket.
So Ashish has the food and he's responsible for not spilling anything in my bag. Music ki wajah. We just came back home and we bought a lot of food from the Indian temple. So let me show you guys what we bought. I think this is idli. Yeah, idli. Another pack of idli. I can smell and tell what's inside the idli. This is uttappa, I guess. Oh no, it is uttappa. My nose is very reliable, I guess. So after looking at these delicious idli, I am like really hungry. I'm gonna quickly have my lunch, and I think that's all for today because I have nothing planned for the evening. So I wanna keep it short. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like the video, give a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys again very soon in the next one. Bye bye.